Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can write a blog. This is actually the part 2 video, how to write a blog. If you haven't watched previously how you create an ice cream cone, that's the part 1 tutorial, then please consider doing that. Now in this video, previously that we have created an ice cream cone with a logo program and with the 3D space, and also take a picture and publish the 3D file. So the 4 things that we have done, and we can go back to the tab. I will always open up 2 tabs. One is on the community site and the other one is on the editor. So back to this VRMath2 Community website. So I have already logged in. As you can see, I have the name logged in there. So what I can do is to click on the share. So at the moment when you click on the share, it goes straight into writing a blog. Alright, so to write a blog, I'll give a title. So as easy as ice cream cone. So it's ICC, 3 words. Give a title, and what you need to do for a blog is to select a category. Oh, by the way, there's a blog guide here. So netiquette and title, image, vocabulary, that's probably everything you need to do. There's an important thing here, but don't need to read that now because I will explain everything here. So you have to choose a category. Ice cream, I think it's probably not really science, because maybe there's some ingredient, but it's not really that type of thing. I think it's about programming that I introduced, maybe, so I select the programming there. I think it's also mathematics, and I actually want to make the mathematics the key thing. Now for this, you can select multiple categories. To do so, you should use the control key on PC or the command key on Mac. So I hold down the command key on my Mac here and click the mathematics with geometry. I think that is probably what I need. Actually, I think a little bit of measurement is in there too, but I think I will select the measurement too. Alright, so I'll give it some text. So it's ice cream. It has a cone and it has a sphere, and you can just add any text you like. Could be food if you like. Yeah, alright, I'll just add that. So that's the wrong word, S-P-H-E-R-E, alright, correct it. So with the vocabularies, that will enable other users to easily pick that up later, or to search for your blog. Now here, image, because previously we have already taken a screenshot and saved into my personal folder. So here I can actually just open file browser and try to find the image. So it's saved under my user folder. Must be the image. I've got quite a few there, and I think it was this one. Click, and yep, that's the right one. So I can just insert a file, or you can just double click on the file and it will be inserted. Now it is inserted here and it's automatically resized for you, so I can just type in ice cream cone. That's the same thing, and if you like, you can highlight Control C or Command C and Control V or Command V to copy that. So now I've got an image that is a nice image to be displayed for my blog. Now here I'm going to write, hello, I have created an ice cream cone, and I'd like to show you how I did it. So in the body here that we have a teaser, so we can actually insert a teaser break. So that means this will be shown before this break, this must be this teaser break. It's not this horizontal line, right? Teaser break. Before the teaser break, these will be displayed briefly on the simple display, not the full version, but everything will be displayed when people are reading the full blog. These are just for the teaser, for the abstract, if you like. Now, below that is what you can really write about. I created this ice cream. And upside down corn, and move up just 0.7 meters to place or sphere. Now, this is an easy task for me, but if this is for, say, a primary school students, and I think that he or she has learned a couple of things about something 3D rotation in a 3D virtual world, and then something about the shapes. Right, so just to keep it brief, that you can always edit later your blog, and here I think I'm going to insert the X3D world. So to insert, I'll use this icon in this editor here, and I can just browse server and select the X3D file that I published earlier. So go into the X3D folder, and I found this ice cream, and just insert, and it will actually show in the preview window here. So it's pretty good, confirmed, that's the one I want. Suggestion for typing the width and height is the whole width for the blog is about 76. That's probably the maximum that you can do. You can make it smaller, but the text will be wrapped into the side of this 3D world. So I think it's a good choice too to have the full width for this 3D world. For the height, I'll type in 360. You can change later if you like. So I'll just do this for now, and see it's now inserted into this place. And this will be an interactive 3D space, allow users to navigate. If you like to edit this, you can double click on it, and you can edit anything here. So just cancel here. Now I want to keep typing. Just keep typing things. So I'll say below is my logo program. All right. So what I like to do is just go to this editor, and I'll just copy, the 10 lines that I have written for this ice cream cone. I can use keyboard to copy that, Control-C or Command-C on Mac. Then go back here. I just use paste, Control-V or Command-V to copy that. So it's now in here. I can highlight that and use the format, logo format here, to make it display like a programming block. There's currently something will need to be fixed in the futures, because when you format into the logo programming, it actually leaves a small a line in between. So actually I would like to remove these lines, and this will be fixed in the future, and hopefully we don't need to do this. So as you can see, I'm in a normal paragraph, but if I move up, it's in the pre is the format for the program. So these will be treated as logo program. It will be auto colored with any keywords and with number line added. So just say, hope you enjoy reading my blog. Please leave comments and here I'm going to insert a smiley face. So it's smiley face here. Choose this big smile. I also like to do at the end, I like to insert some files so people can download later. To insert files, you can use this, just insert file, and I like to provide with my X3D file. So I'll just go to the ice cream, where that is, here, double click, and it's inserted, and that will be a link and people can download later. Space, make it wider space, and insert. I also like to provide my logo program, so I can provide my logo program here too, and the file are inserted, and I like to select this, make it bold. And I think that's all I need. I just save. You can preview, but I'm pretty sure I can just save now, and it's submitted. That is my latest one, ice cream cone. Right, and people can enjoy reading my blog, play with my ice cream cone. You can edit your blog anytime later if you like. You can perhaps add in some questions below. So how can I say, guess what flavor that is, or how can you resize that ice cream cone, that you can give some questions to your students if you're a teacher, or edit this page anytime you like. And also, because it's blogged, and if you go to the home page, and you can see the latest one will be on top here. So that is the teaser, and you can write some more if you like. Otherwise, it's just a short one that we have the teaser break right below it. Hope you remember that. And when people look at this home page, and they will see the first blog and click, and they can see your ice cream cone blog. All right, so that's how we write a blog.